Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, this will be the last video in this playlist. I thought I would decide to create a African tale playlist showing you how to create African tales, and you go through all the steps to create the African folk tale stories, right? So this is the last one. I'm going to show you how to use captions. Captions is a nice little app that you can use that will let you put words across your video screens, okay? And it looks super cool, so let's just get started with it. Okay, so the first thing, in order to do captions, however you want to do, you want to use a photo, like this is a photo here that I have. We can use the photo to create captions across our little storyline, or we can use a video, okay, to create captions. So I'm going to show you how to do it with a video clip to create your captions, okay? So I'm going to move the photo out and I'll come back to that second, right? So let's get this video. Got to move it to the beginning of the timeline, right? Did I move it to the beginning? Yes, it's there. Let me move it up so I can see right there. That's good. 1 minute, it seemed like something. Okay, let's take all of this out of the timeline. That's just me when I was editing for another video. So let's make sure I took everything out. Okay, I just want this video, and this video is called Upscaled Lady 2. So I'm gonna upload this into my captions app. So let's just go to it. I already have it open, and this is a $9.99 a month. Maybe you can find caption apps that are free. I don't know, but this one is $10. So let's just upload that video. So you're going to click on, first it says create your first project. So you're going to click on upload a video. So let's click on it. So let's just go to my downloads and let's find that video. Okay, that's Upscale Lady 3, we want 2. So we're going to use this video, and I highlight it, then click open. And, you know, it's telling you here, original language, English. I'm going to keep it in English. I don't want to translate no language. Okay, so we just go click on proceed with English. Click on that. And as you can see, it's rendering this video clip into the app, right? So that's what we're waiting for while it renders. Sorry, can't talk. So we're waiting. It shouldn't take for so long. It's at 81% here. It's got to get to 100%. Almost there. Okay, so it's completed. So once you do that, you're going to click on the video, click on it to open it up into the file. So now it's here. Now this video right here, she's actually talking. And a lot of times videos look pretty cool when someone is talking. Doesn't matter if it's an AI or a real person. And you can have captions across the screen, right? The words that go across the screen. So let me fix this. It's a little too big. So I'm going to put words across the screen as she's talking. So let's move it up a little bit. So I can adjust it to however I want. I'll play it first so you can see what it looks like.
This lottery ends in 59 days by July 9, 2024. This is Andrews Avenue South Senior Residence, located at 1746 Andrews Avenue, Bronx, New York, 10453.
So I'm going to stop it there. So that's what it's looking like. Now, let's just say you don't like that. You can always come over here and you can adjust it, right? You can edit it to the way you want. So you might not want it. So I'm going to click on that little pencil, little drop down, and you can pick whatever font that you want, right? And I usually like, let's see, I like this one right here. I go with this one. Close this in because you want it to fit on the screen. Okay, so now let's scroll down a little bit because we in editing templates, right? So scroll down. I want it to be aligned in the middle. I can have capital letters, or I can have lowercase or caps with lowercase. I'm going to use this one. I like that one. And high punctuation, I don't really mess with that. So let's just scroll down. You got emphasize keywords, emphasize color, supersize keywords, highlight active words, text color. I normally just leave it in white. I'm going to leave it in white. So actually it's in white already. I don't want the background color, so I'm going to remove background color off.
This lottery ends in
So let's
59
play.
days by July 9th.
Yeah. So as you can see, I removed the background color off. So let's skip it back to the beginning. You can change the color as you want. Let me see. I don't know why this says purple. You can use, I'm using pop. Scroll all the way through. Random size, randomized rotation. I don't mess with that. Lines per page, as she's talking and the words are coming across the screen. I use one line, so I click on one. Scroll down a little bit. Captions, transition, and I say none. Line, no, I used word.
This lottery
Okay,
ends
let's
in
play
59
it.
days by July 9th, 2024. This is
Okay, so I mean, and if you just keep messing with it, you can play with it a little more. Let's see. I want to change the color, right? Let me see if I switch on this. Would this make a difference? I always get a little
this lottery
confused.
ends in
Let me
59.
see if that changed it. Nope, that did not change the color. So that's weird. This is background. I don't want the background to show. Let's see. If I go here,
Days by
bright
July 9,
color. Let's see.
2024. This is Andrews Avenue South Senior
Okay.
Residence.
So as you can see, it turned it all green. I gotta play with this more to understand it a little more. So I'm gonna leave it like that. You could adjust it how you want it on the screen. So I'll move it. You know, I can stretch this out to the end. Or you can make it small, because you might say, I don't want the words too big on the screen. So let's play it so you can see how captions work on your video. She's talking, and you also have the captions across your screen, which is great because people who can't hear can see what this video is about, right? They can
This lottery
see it, but
ends
they
in
can't hear
59
it.
days by July 9, 2024. This is Andrews Avenue South Senior Residence, located at 1746 Andrews Avenue, Bronx, New York, 10453. Eligible income $0 to $74,580. Here are the details. Andrews Avenue.
So we'll, sorry about that. We'll stop there. So let's just say you're done with the video. I'm fine with it. So what you're gonna do is hit on export because we're done with it. And as you can see, that little symbol down there, it says DID. That is what allows her to talk. So when you go to how to create African folk tales, when you go in my playlist, I will show you how I use DID and how I got this picture to turn into a talking avatar. Okay, so let's export this video. Export video. So now you're waiting. It says exporting. So you just got to be patient. You're going to see the little purple line go across the screen. So this is in real time, guys. So sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's slow. So I don't think it's going to be that slow, but I'm just showing you an example of how you can use your captions on your videos, okay? And then there's another way you could use it by using your photos. I'm going to show you another way. So let's just let this export. I decided that I will not be doing African folktale stories. They are amazing on this YouTube platform, so you will see them all over. All you have to do is type in African folktales, and you're going to see a list of different channels are going to come up. And when I tell you they're amazing, they're really amazing. I did one little African folk tale on my channel, and it's a short video. It's like 1 minute and 46 seconds. You can check it out. It's the large opera singer who falls in love with the farmer guy. Okay, it's simple, short, little cute story. I just wanted to see how that works, and I thought it came out adorable. But I am going to start getting back into my doll show. I had quite a few people who's asking me to return it and bring it back. So I'm going to start working on some things. Just give me a minute to get some stuff done, because I got to clean these dolls up and I got to get them looking nice, fresh, and clean again. So it's almost exporting. And like I said, I'm showing this to you in real time. It'll be done soon, as you can see. So guys, editing and creating videos takes a lot of work and a lot of patience. And some of us don't have that patience, so we just can't see ourselves doing all of this. But people like myself and many other people, we enjoy it, so we do it. So we do it anyway. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I have time. This type of stuff takes time. And if you don't have the time, this won't be for you. Or this editing and doing YouTube videos, it just won't work, because you'll find that it takes up too much of your time, depending on what you have to do. So it's done. And once it's done, I'll just click on download. Okay. And I just wait for this to turn red, and it's done. So I'll go back to my program and I'll pull it up. Right. I'll go to import media files, click on it. And let's click on Upscale Lady. So this is the one that's going to have the caption. So let's highlight it and click open. Okay, here it goes. So here it goes. This is the original one that didn't have any captions, right? So
This
let's look
lottery
at
ends
that
in
first
59
one.
days by July 9,
lot-
2024. This is Andrews Avenue South Senior Residence, located at 1746 and
Okay, so that looks pretty good. Looks clean cut and all of that. Now let's just say you want to add captions to it. Here you go, where she's talking and then there are words across the screen for other people to understand, especially the deaf.
This lottery
okay?
ends in
So
59
let's play
days
it.
by July 9, 2024. This is Andrews Avenue South Senior Residence, located at 1746 Andrews Avenue, Bronx, New York, 10453. Eligible income, $0 to $74,580. Here are the details. Andrews Avenue South Senior Residence is a new building located in the Morris Heights neighborhood of the Bronx in Bronx Community Board 5, within proximity of Yankee Stadium, the Bronx Zoo, the New York Botanical Garden, Fordham University.
Okay, so you get what it does there. Now let's just move all of this. So those are the video clips. Let's remove them. Now let's get a picture and let's see how we can take that picture and do the same thing. Okay, so let me find the picture. I did save one. Here we go. One right here. This picture, upscale news girl, right? So let's just put her in the timeline. And let's just say I want some words to go across the screen. There's different ways you can do this. I'm just trying to see how I can do this. I can just put regular words across the picture. Yeah, I wonder if we can just, I don't think, yeah, it's got to be a video clip. It can't be a picture, but this is another way you could put captions across your screen for free. So I'm going to use my own captions from my Power Director, right? I'm going to use it and I'm going to find some text to put across the screen, because really that's all it is, right? So let's go to text, which is right here. Text. And I already have some custom text because I've been using this program, I don't know, 5-6 years. So let's just put this in here. Let's see what we can say, because this text is saying this. So it's small. If I want, I'm going to edit it and make it bigger so that you can see it better. Let's see if I can. Oh, I can't make it too big because all the way across the screen. All right, so what I'll do is I'll pull it down so you can see it. Like that. Yeah, something like that. And then, this is another way to have text across your screen, something like that. As you can see what it says there. That's another way to use captions, but this is the free program. It's not a free program, but it's free with my program because it comes with Power Director. As you can see here, this is the timeline. And as you can see, this is the interface and all the different, features that we have and where it shows the video. So it's a lot. So it's, I won't say it's a lot. It's just that when you're creating African folktale stories, you got to be able to create all the things that are needed to make an African folktale story. Okay, like this one I did here. I'll take you there right quick to my channel. Okay, so this is done. So I'll go to my channel right quick. And the African folktale I created is a short one, which is this right here, right?
The sun rises over a picturesque African
about that.
village, introducing our hero, Zuri, a joyful and extremely large opera singer known for her powerful voice. Zuri meets Tomi, a hardworking farmer in the village market. Sparks fly as they share a moment over a spilled basket of fruits. Their friendship blossoms into love during sunset walks and shared songs. But the village elders and their peers disapprove, worried about their differences. The village holds a big celebration where Zuri is set to perform. Tomi is barred from attending by the elders. Zuri decides to sing a song.
Okay, guys, so that'll be it. And that is how you can put captions on your videos, or captions on your photos, like I just showed you here for free, because you can't upload a photo into the captions app. It's for video clips, okay? So anyway, I just want to say thank you. Make sure you check that playlist. I will link the playlist in this video below of how to create African folktales, taking you step by step of all the things that you need if you were interested in that. But guys, like I say, once again, I'm going to get back into my doll show. So I have to set up, clean up dolls, get my doll sets together and the props and all that jazz. And I will see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time. Bye.